Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Connect. To begin, open your Roblox application and navigate to the Connect tab located on the main menu. Here, you will see an option to create or join a session, allowing you to quickly set up your first virtual hangout. Look for the distinct Connect icon, usually a small phone or video camera symbol, to access the feature. It is truly straightforward to get started with this innovative communication tool and link up with friends instantly. When creating a session, select Start New Session and give your group a unique name. You can then invite friends by sharing the automatically generated 6-digit session code with them. To join an existing session, simply click Join Session and input the code provided by your friend. This allows for seamless entry into a shared virtual space, making collaboration and chatting very simple and accessible for everyone involved. It is designed for quick and easy connection. Personalize your Roblox Connect experience by selecting from a wide array of virtual environments and avatar accessories. Before starting, you can choose from dozens of unique backdrops, ranging from a cozy cafe to an outer space vista. Adjust your privacy settings to control who can join your sessions, ensuring a comfortable and secure interaction with your chosen companions. This customization makes every meeting feel unique and perfectly tailored to your group's preferences, enhancing your time together. Explore advanced features like screen sharing to collaborate on projects or watch videos together within your session. Use interactive reactions and emotes to express yourself dynamically, adding more fun to your conversations. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or restart the application. Often, a simple refresh resolves most technical glitches. These tips will help you maximize your enjoyment and interaction during every Roblox Connect session, making your virtual hangouts more engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.